Okay. Today I got my package from Sweetwater and I forgot to bring out my candy. A little package of candy Sweetwater always sends. So it's been a crazy weekend. 4-day holiday, and my guitar was supposed to arrive on the 5th. So I was okay with that. And then FedEx kept on sending me, like on Friday, they're like, oh, it's arriving early on the 2nd, which is Saturday. Waited all day Saturday, no guitar. FedEx is like, oh, we promise it's arriving on the 3rd. So I wait all day Sunday, no guitar. And then of course, the 4th is a holiday, and I know FedEx was not working, although they work most days of the week. I went through my day and knew my guitar was coming today, which is what they originally said. So it's like this whole weekend of suspense of like waiting and waiting. So today I got in the mail my little You Can Run Fast sticker from Krista, the Girls with Guitars, guitar lessons that I'm learning. Super excited with a little note from her place in Nashville. This is hooray, and yes, I'm saying hooray. And I got like my little guitar lab that I ordered on Amazon, which has like a strap, just real basic stuff, strap, and a tuner, which I downloaded a metronome and a tuner for my phone already, and then some picks, just basic stuff that, and then a capo. So super excited that I have some accessories. So now I'm gonna get into unboxing my little Martin. So I already took the box out of the huge box. I've seen this box, like the huge box that comes from Sweetwater, so many times at my front door with bigger Martins in it. So I unpacked all the packaging. It was packed really great, like in a humongous box, almost as big as the door. And then it had like protection all over the place, you know, the type of wrapping that you want to keep because you can reuse it. So fragile handle care from Martin. So from the Guitar Gallery, and it's a little Martin LX1, and it comes with a gig bag, and so yeah. Now I'm just going to like take it out. Super excited. I've never bought a guitar before. This is like my first guitar outside of my little guitar that I had from 4th grade that I've been learning from. So it's in this little bag. I've seen this Martin bag so many times. So it's a box with some bubble wrap. Big box, nice box. And so this is the Martin, the gig bag that it comes with, really nice. Has little backpack straps. It's made for travel. It's actually really light. It weighs about 10 pounds. Oh. So it comes with a care and feeding guide, whatever that means. I know that you have to like condition them or something because they, I don't know, the climate messes with them. Some little, I don't know, that's probably for the end. I'm not sure what that is. So put all this stuff back into the pouch. Strings, I need to figure out how to buy more strings. This is pretty little. It's beautiful. It's very beautiful. So this is my baby. Very beautiful. I only know a couple of chords. I know E minor, and then I learned last night, I think it's a D9, because I'm learning the song Horse with No Name by America. So, and it goes something like this. It's like D minor, then jump 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the first part of the journey, I was looking at all the life. There were plants and things and rocks and things. Dun, 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 dun. And that's how it goes. I don't know it very well. So that's actually like, I've been practicing on my little 4th grade guitar, and now I have my beautiful Martin, and I'm super excited. So I have my first real guitar class tonight. So yeah, super excited about that. 30 days of guitar. I can already feel like the sound, the difference of the strings. And from what I was playing before. Dun, 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 dun. I actually have a pick in here. Ooh, I have lots of picks. I'll start off with the purple one. Ooh, they have all kinds of pretty colors. The strumming is like down, 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 up, down. E minor. Down, 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 up, down. And switch chords. Down, 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 up, down. Yay! Have a great day and God bless.